There are larger message from the Aam Aadmi Party. AAP says they're out of the India bloc. It was only for the Lok Sabha that elections had this alliance coming together. The Aam Aadmi Party formally quits the India bloc. Very interesting. How should one see this development? AAP says allied with the India bloc for the Lok Sabha elections. We are now out of the India bloc. Now this statement, remember, is crucial because even if not for elections, there are usually alliance, permutations, combinations that are seen together, that they are part of one structure. But for Aam Aadmi Party to come out and say, but we're not in the India bloc anymore, what does that mean? Let's listen in to the AAP leader.
इस बैठक में हम लोग शामिल नहीं हो रहे हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी ने अपनी स्थिति कई बार स्पष्ट की है कि इंडिया गठबंधन जो था वो लोकसभा का जो चुनाव था उसके लिए था। उसके बाद हरियाणा का चुनाव हम अकेले लड़े, दिल्ली का चुनाव हम अकेले लड़े, बिहार में हम अकेले चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और दो राज्यों में उपचुनाव हुए, वहां भी हम अकेले लड़े, गुजरात और पंजाब के अंदर। तो आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया गठबंधन की इस बैठक में शामिल नहीं हो रही है और हम एक सशक्त और मजबूत विपक्ष की भूमिका हमेशा निभाते रहे और वो निभाएंगे।
So remember, as part of the India bloc, basically it meant all these parties against the NDA, against the Bharatiya Janata Party specifically, and they have been together. They're one entity, one unit, and it's not just always about elections, but in usually the strategies that are placed. However, right now, Aam Aadmi Party, in a way slipping in very clearly that they're not going to attend India bloc meetings because that alliance was primarily for Lok Sabha elections. Does that mean Aam Aadmi Party believes that they can fight solo, whether in the states where they have hope or perhaps they want to re-strategize where the party presently stands? What happens then to whether it's friendship or alliance partnership, for example, that Aam Aadmi Party has with the Trinamool Congress, with the Congress Party, especially with Didi, CM Mamta Banerjee, or Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi? Is there going to be any fissures in that? And why bring it on record that they are not part of the India bloc? However, Aam Aadmi Party clearly has been increasing with its ranks as well, especially, for example, managing to go beyond Delhi and in Punjab. Even if they lost Delhi, they have one full state under their jurisdiction. However, will this decision of them now standing solo and re-strategizing what their future holds, will it backfire for them to say we're not part of the India bloc? I want the viewer to listen in again to what Sanjay Singh, who's the Rajya Sabha member of Parliament of the Aam Aadmi Party.
नहीं, इस बैठक में हम लोग शामिल नहीं हो रहे हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी ने अपनी स्थिति कई बार स्पष्ट की है कि इंडिया गठबंधन जो था वो लोकसभा का जो चुनाव था उसके लिए था। उसके बाद हरियाणा का चुनाव हम अकेले लड़े, दिल्ली का चुनाव हम अकेले लड़े, बिहार में हम अकेले चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और दो राज्यों में उपचुनाव हुए, वहां भी हम अकेले लड़े, गुजरात और पंजाब के अंदर। तो आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया गठबंधन की इस बैठक में शामिल नहीं हो रही है और हम एक सशक्त और मजबूत विपक्ष की भूमिका हमेशा निभाते रहे और वो निभाएंगे।
So they fought in Haryana solo, they lost in Gujarat, they fought solo and lost. They're now fighting in Bihar. However, of course, Punjab was their victory sign, where Bhagwant Mann is the Chief Minister. This statement that has come in from Sanjay Singh, and be very clear, Sanjay Singh is no ordinary leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. He's been at the forefront of the decisions that the party has made. He's been the closest ally and aide to Arvind Kejriwal ever since the beginning, even before they became politicians officially, when they were in India against corruption, when they were as activists. He's been with Arvind Kejriwal since the beginning, so he knows exactly what he's talking about, and making it very clear that we have fought state elections solo, so we've not really been part of the India bloc after Lok Sabha elections. We'll be tracking that big story, especially what other parties have to say on it.